Welcome to this video on setting up your iOS phone with Microsoft Intune to access your corporate NBCC email and other applications, otherwise known as Byod. I'll begin by going to our information technology page on NBCC at work. So all you have to do is just at the top of the screen here for any browser, you can go to intranet.nbcc.ca and then it'll bring you to our NBCC at work page here. And then you'll just go under Key Areas and Information Technology. And so once the Information Technology page opens up here, we'll just go under IT, FAQs, and Onboarding. And so this is where you're going to find the step-by-step instructions with screenshots to enroll your personal iOS device or phone with Microsoft Intune. So we'll just scroll down to the very bottom of the page here. And one of the last items here is Byod, bring your own device. And so if I just click on the little button right here, it'll provide me with those step-by-step instructions. And so the first thing I want to do is talk a little about what is Microsoft Intune. So Microsoft Intune is just a cloud-based tool which enables onboarding a mobile device for enhanced data protection. So it enables a feature called MDM, or Mobile Device Management, which gives NBCC employees access to some of your NBCC data on a secure platform and protects corporate and student-related information. So Intune also provides seamless access to Microsoft applications such as Microsoft Outlook mobile app, Microsoft Teams, Office tools including Word and PowerPoint. So at this time, NBCC provided smartphones. They're already enrolled in Microsoft Intune for security and compliance reasons. So the practice where employees use their personal smartphones to access corporate NBCC email and other apps here at the college is referred to as Byod. So staff members are not required to download Intune. However, if you use your personal device to access data such as NBCC email, you'll automatically receive a prompt to register your phone in Intune, and all downloads will happen automatically. And this communication will happen via email. So when NBCC IT triggers enrollment, you must register and enroll into Intune in order to continue viewing NBCC email on a personal device. So without Intune Mobile Device Management Platform, your access to your NBCC email is not secure, and you're at a very high risk of exposing NBCC corporate and student information. So it's important to note that through Intune, NBCC IT administrators will only have access to your phone model, device name, serial number, operating system, patch level, manage app names, NBCC username and login time for NBCC apps only. NBCC IT administrators will not be able to see or have access to your personal information such as call and web history, user activity, location, email and text messages, contacts, passwords, calendar, camera or images, application usage, data, or any other media such as audio and video. So when you install Microsoft Intune, some frequently used apps like Outlook, Teams, and Edge will automatically be installed on your device within 10 minutes of Intune enrollment. Other apps like SharePoint, Word, and Excel can be downloaded from the Secure Play Store. Now the Secure Play Store is different from the regular Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and is accessible via the company portal app. It's also very important to note that with our current Intune security configuration, on iOS devices, you can only have one Outlook account accessible through the app. So if, for example, you have a personal Outlook account and you want to set up your work NBCC account, there's basically two options for you at the moment. One is that you choose not to link your work email to your personal phone. And the second option is that you use the generic mail app on your phone for your other Outlook account. So for your personal Outlook account, you just use the generic mail on your phone. So the first step in setting up your phone with Microsoft Intune essentially happens here when you go to login.microsoftonline.com, or you can just go to office.com and basically try to sign into Outlook, for example, that way. It'll give you this window here where it says your sign-in was successful, but your admin requires your device to be managed by NBCC to access this resource. So when that comes up, you're just going to press the Enroll Now button. And then the second step here is your account's just going to come up. So you're just going to select the account right here. So you just click on that. And then after, it says install the Microsoft Intune company portal, which will be downloaded from the company portal. So all you have to do is just click the Get the App button right here. And then you'll see the app here come up on your screen. And then you're just going to click the little cloud icon with the downward pointing arrow to begin the downloading. And then once the Intune company portal has been downloaded, you'll click the Open button. And then at the login prompt here, you're just going to click the Begin button. And then after you do that, you're going to review the device management and your privacy. So in here, it's going to show you the things that NBCC IT admins can't and can have access to on your phone. So if you'd like to review those, you can just click on the various tabs. And then once you're done, press the Continue button to move on to the next step. And then the next step here is to review the privacy information. So you can click on Learn More to get more information on the privacy information. And then just at the bottom, just below the screenshot, there's going to be a Continue button. So you'll just press that Continue button to move on to the next step. And when you do that, you're going to get a pop-up that says this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow? And you'll just click the Allow button. And then it'll say downloaded the management profile, and you'll say Continue Now. Now after you press the Continue Now button, it will bring you to the Install Management Profile section here. And again, just below here where it says Figure 10 here, there's going to be a Continue button. So it's not on the screenshot. So all you have to do is just click on that Continue button that will appear at the bottom. Then what will happen is it should bring you right into the settings area of your phone or device. So it should automatically open up the settings area here, where you'll just simply click the Profile Downloaded option right here. Now, if it doesn't bring you into the settings area, all you have to do is go under the settings button within your phone. So most of you are familiar with that. It's just going to look like the little icon here. And you'll go to the settings app, you'll click on it, then you'll select the general option and then select profiles. After you do that, the management profile window will pop up here, and then you're just going to simply press the install button. So after you do that, you'll get the root certificate window here pop up. You can review this. It'll say installing the certificate Microsoft Intune Root Certification Authority. We'll add it to the list of trusted certificates on your iPad or iPhone, whatever device you're installing this on, and then you'll just press the install button. And then when the remote management window comes up here, you're just going to press Trust. And then last but not least here, we'll get to choose the best category for this device. And from the list of options, they'll probably look a little different than on here, but you're just going to want to select the option that says BYOD. And that's it. So this concludes the tutorial on setting up your personal phone with Microsoft Intune at the New Brunswick Community College.